Whether you break out your blender to mix the occasional margarita or a daily smoothie and the smoothies didn't even come out all that well smooth, it's time for an upgrade. The best blenders can grind up the heartiest produce in smoothies, make nut milk, blend velvety soups, turn granulated sugar into powdered, and much more. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best blenders in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. If you're already a fan of classic Vitamix models like the 5200 Standard or the Professional Series 750, get ready to fall in love all over again. With a simple interface and 10 variable speeds, the Vitamix Explorian E310 makes super smooth smoothies, velvety mayo, and more, plus it includes a pulse setting, giving it another layer of versatility. We used it to chop nuts before switching to the variable speeds to make nut butter. The 48-ounce container is smaller than some other models, but it's still large enough for most jobs, and the squattier design means it's likely to fit under your kitchen cabinets. The included tamper is dishwasher safe, as is the lid. Number 2. Ninja Professional Blender. Ninja is known for its blenders and brings that expertise to its high-speed model. The blade structure is the most unique among all the models we tested, with 3 sharp blades separated by a few inches. Ninja says the stacked structure of the blades is designed to efficiently crush ice, blend, and puree, and our tests bore that out. The blade piece is removable, which makes scraping out the food easier, though you'll want to be careful handling it, as the blades are extremely sharp. The BPA-free pitcher has a handy pour spout, great for serving smoothies and frozen drinks. The 1000-watt motor is powerful, though definitely on the louder side. Number 3. Ninja Compact Kitchen System with Auto IQ. Ninja's system is centered around a multi-purpose base. The food processor, blender, and smoothie container fit on the base, which contains functions for all the machines. When you secure each container to the base in Auto IQ systems, the corresponding functions will appear on the interface, so you won't be able to make the mistake of choosing a function that's incorrect for the container you're using. This makes it easier to know which cooking tasks to perform in which container. We found this system to be ideal for whipping up quick pestos, easy mayo, and smoothies on the go. It's great for someone with limited space, but who loves to cook and needs the functionality of a blender and food processor. Number 4. NutriBullet Blender Combo. This well-priced and high-powered blender comes with 3 jars, making it super versatile and our pick for the best value. It comes with a 64-ounce pitcher for large batches and 2 different personal-sized cups, 32 ounces and 24 ounces with a handle. Both cups have lids that make it easy to take your smoothie to go. It features an extract button that blends smoothies at pre-programmed variable speeds. We blended kale smoothies in all 3 jars, and all were uniformly smooth with no flecks. It also blasted through frozen strawberries effortlessly to make a delicious, evenly processed daiquiri. Number 5. Ninja SS101 Footy Smoothie Bowl Maker. If you prefer to be able to choose between a personal smoothie and a smoothie bowl, then the Footy Smoothie Bowl Maker and Nutrient Extractor is a great pick. This personal blender's jar features a built-in tamper and doesn't need as much liquid to blend ingredients to a smooth, very thick consistency, perfect for a smoothie bowl. In our tests, this model easily tackled both green and berry smoothies with very few residual seeds and super smooth results. This model also suctions firmly to your counter, which keeps it completely in place for its pulse-style auto smoothie setting. In addition to the 14-ounce smoothie bowl jar, this model comes with two 24-ounce blender jars with travel lids, which are all dishwasher safe. That was our list of the top 5 best blenders, just for you.